Top 5 health mistakes you're probably making. Think you're living a healthy life? Think again. In this video, we reveal the 5 most common health mistakes people make without even knowing. From bad habits to simple misconceptions, we'll show you what to stop doing today for a healthier tomorrow. Watch now to fix these mistakes and start feeling your best. Let's begin. 1. Skipping breakfast. It messes with metabolism and energy levels. Start your day right. 2. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration impacts your skin, energy, and focus. Drink up. 3. Too much sitting. Long periods of sitting damage your posture and metabolism. Move more. 4. Ignoring mental health. Stress and burnout affect your whole body. Prioritize your mental well-being. 5. Overeating healthy foods. Even healthy foods can cause weight gain when eaten in excess. Portion control is key. Conclusion. These 5 mistakes are easy to fix. Start today and take control of your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your health habits in the comments.